In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can post a grid photo on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Grid photos is essentially when one image is split across multiple posts, and it can actually create a really cool effect on your profile. To begin, go ahead and head to your Instagram profile and then scroll down. Make sure the bottom row of your feed is complete. If not, you can either post a little bit more to fill it out or delete a post or two to make space. So in this example, I would need to delete this post right here or simply just archive it so it's hidden. Now, we're actually going to be using a third-party app to create this grid. Open up the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device and search up GridMaker. You can either use this one right here or GridMaker for Instagram. It doesn't really matter. Just choose one that looks good. We're going to use this one right here. Once you go ahead and get loaded into whatever app you're trying to use, you may see a paid version prompt. Just go ahead and close that out and then simply just go ahead and find grid on whatever app you decided to choose. Next, you can select how many grid squares you would like to add. I'm just going to go ahead and do, 9 right here. And then I simply just need to go ahead and add a picture. I'm going to choose, I guess, this one right here. And just like that, it's actually going to split it up into a grid. If I hit this little check mark up in the top, you might see an ad or something. Simply ignore that, and it's actually going to go ahead and just give you the prompt to save your photo. Essentially, go ahead and save this and then upload it in the right order. The way that you're going to want to do it is tap on the first image and then grant permission to access your photos, and it's going to actually open up Instagram itself. It's pretty cool how it works, but it is super simple. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.